so I'm gonna show her how the garden.
We're gonna set up a raised flower garden bed, so come watch us do that. Raining now, so we're gonna do this on the porch. However, it's supposed to be relatively easy, so I'm not worried. Look how many screws there are. Oh no. I'm gonna save this cardboard so we can lay it at the bottom of the garden bed so that the weeds won't come up through. In case you can't tell, I've been watching a lot of gardening TikToks.
Sherry and we'll provide the
Rest. You may be wondering why we're not saving this for a sunny day. However, it's April, and with April showers, we don't have a lot of non-rainy days here in Pennsylvania.
Whatever.
She may be his twin, but she's a mama's girl. What are you doing? Wearing flip-flops and 40 degrees. I'm excited. Mommy. 2 pieces down, 3 to go. 4 to go. Girls and I are going to try and get all the compost and cardboard boxes and stuff laid down while he's at work this week, so at least we'll be helping somewhat. Our neighbor walked outside and is now watching us, and I feel uncomfortable. We're going inside because the baby's cold. So I finished putting it together, and now we're gonna move it to the backyard. Oh, this is easy to move. And now it's done, and on the day when it's not raining, I will show you the progress on when we put the boxes down, when we put the compost down, and finally when we plant the vegetables. Thanks for watching.